So, dear our users, welcome to our CRM section, where this is at the page that we ended up and we manage our leads. So besides from where the CRM transferred as a customer relationship management, this is for us is the main brain that we keep all of our data from all sources of channels, which can be done as well as the property finder, Dubizzle, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So it doesn't matter what kind of channel that you run as advertisement. We can integrate your channel and your leads from everywhere. We can add that up over here, and this is where you manage, and it's going to be super simple and easy. And this is where we manage your leads, where you could hire up your sales, by the way, where here we have our lead sections, deal sections, as well as the client section, as well as the sections of the tasks, also sources of the integration, as I've mentioned earlier. And you could build it up your own, use the filters. Also, one another key point is on a task that you could give any kind of task to your team. Besides from that, the views, we're gonna explore all the things. And also one another thing is we have an advanced cart of the lead, which is really cool. Also, one another important one is our last section is the reports. It's gonna be really cool to explore it. So let's go through the details of how to use it. Thanks.